Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix airdrop not working on iPhone iOS 17 after the latest iOS 17 update. For example, if you have recently updated your iPhone to latest iOS 17 update and your airdrop is not working properly, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or internet connection. And for this, what you have to do, you have to check your Wi-Fi is working properly or not, and you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again. In this way your Wi-Fi will be restarted. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset your all network setting. And after resetting your network setting, you have to check your problem whether it is solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you can do is you can simply click on software update, and after that you have to check whether you have updated to the latest iOS version. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your device, because many error and bugs are fixed by the latest iOS update. If the problem is still there, then you can go for the next step, which is that you have to simply close all the background apps, and you have to click on settings, and after that you have to go to your name or Apple ID, and you have to simply sign out your Apple ID, and you have to sign in again on your Apple ID. If the problem is still there, then you can simply restart or reboot your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the power and volume button, and after that you have to simply power off your iPhone, and after that you have to simply restart it again, and you have to check whether your problem is solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply wait for the next update, so that problem has been automatically solved by the latest iOS update. But if the problem is still there, then you can go for the Apple support and ask for the problem, so that they can help you in a better way. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.